data there, we need to find the accuracy of any of the algorithm. So accordingly, whichever algorithm is the best, for that we need to have a confusion matrix that is been formed. जैसे अभी हमने बोला कि आपने लेना है एनसेम्बलर मेथड से कि कौन सा एल्गोरिथम बेटर है, तो आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि कौन सा एल्गोरिथम बेटर है? तो इसके लिए फिर से हम लोग कंफ्यूजन मैट्रिक्स में आ जाते हैं. तो कंफ्यूजन मैट्रिक्स में कैसे रहता है? देयर इज अ प्रेडिक्टेड क्लास, एज आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड यू, एंड देयर इज एन एक्चुअल क्लास. Also, I have told you there will be a positive and negative parameter. Over here also positive and negative. So in predicted there will be two things, positive, negative, and in actual also there will be a positive, negative. So accordingly, you are going to obtain the results for your true positive, things are positive, and the result you have obtained is positive. So ठीक है, मैं ये वाला यहाँ से हटाती हूँ और यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव लिखती हूँ, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव, so that I can fill the table properly. So there is a true positive and there is a false negative. This is true positive is represented by TP, false negative by FN. Similarly, when there is negative and the predicted is positive, then it is a false positive. So it is represented by FP. Also, if it is negative and the predicted value is also negative, actual भी negative है और predicted भी negative है, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? True negative. So it is represented by TN. तो देखो, actually जो condition थी आपने प्रिडिक्ट किया. अभी प्रिडिक्शन तो आपको पता है, अभी हम लोगों ने इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स किए हैं. इवन इन आवर प्रैक्टिकल्स वी हैव प्रिडिक्टेड फॉर सम वैल्यू. सो इफ योर प्रिडिक्टेड इज करेक्ट लाइक योर एक्चुअल, देन इट इज अ ट्रू पॉजिटिव, यानी कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई. और अगर एक्चुअली वो पॉजिटिव है और आपने प्रिडिक्ट किया नेगेटिव, यानी एक बंदा अगर उसको से हार्ट अटैक आने वाला है by the prediction, by actual, but you have predicted it as negative, then naturally it will be a false negative condition. आपका prediction गलत हो गया, so it's false negative. Similarly, अगर उस बंदे को हार्ट अटैक आना है और आपने नहीं डिटेक्ट, मीन्स एक्चुअली नहीं आना है और आपने यस डिटेक्ट किया कि उसको आना है, it's detected falsely as positive, so it is called as a false positive. So you can see TP is true positive are the count of positive instant to which a classifier is correctly able to identify. तो ये correctly identify होगा TP. False positive मतलब क्या? In which the identification of classifier is positive, but practically they are negative. That is your false positive. True negative क्या हो जाएगा आपका? The count of negative instance to which classifier is correctly able to classify as negative. It's negative actually, and you have predicted also negative. So that is your true negative. And false negative is count of instant in which identification of classifier is negative, but practically they are positive. So that is your false negative condition, right? Now, a simple example of this particular condition, I'll just take here, and the calculation part we'll see it later. So here, if I take an example of this is a predicted class, and this is your actual class. Okay, so in predicted, let us say we have a subscribed and not subscribed data, and here also there will be a subscribed, मतलब actually subscribed है और actually not subscribed है. Okay, there will be some data provided in this way. So let us say that the data given is 3, 8, and the total that count out to be 11. And let us say 2, 87, it is 89. So here, let us assume that the total is 5, as you can see, and this is 95, and the total over here is 100. Now, how to find, this is general example that I'm taking. Then how to find the accuracy of your algorithm. हमारा ये सब करने का intention क्या है basically कि हमें accuracy find out करनी है, isn't it? So for finding the accuracy, you have a formula. हम लोग accuracy कैसे निकालते हैं? True positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative multiplied by 100, which will give you the percentage, right? So you can see true positive. तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने क्या दिया था, देखो अभी हमने algorithm में पढ़ा, this we have seen. The first one is true positive and then false negative. So accordingly, we are going to mention here, this is your true positive, this is your false negative, this is your false positive, and this is your true negative. So आपका true positive 3 plus 87 divided by true positive plus true negative, false positive, false negative. ये तुम्हारी accuracy होगी. इसका मतलब क्या है? हर एक algorithm का आप confusion matrix generate करोगे. Confusion matrix generate करके you're going to obtain the result mentioning that which algorithm is giving you the best result. Getting it? And whichever algorithm is giving you the best result, naturally the accuracy of that particular algorithm will be more. Right? Also, you can see we are going to talk regarding the true positive rate. यानी कौन से algorithm का true positive rate सबसे ज़्यादा है? For that reason, TPR is equal to TP divided by true positive plus false negative. You need to remember all these algorithms. So accuracy, as I told you, was true positive plus true negative divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. Multiply by 100 will give you in percentage. Similarly, when you're talking regarding FPRs, false positive ratio, it will be FP divided by FP plus true negative. And when you're talking regarding the false negative rate, it will be false negative divided by true positive plus false negative. Now this false negative rate is also termed as a miss rate, or you can say type 2 error rate. मैंने ये पहले भी बताया था आपको, type 2 error rate. And you should note this, that true positive rate and false negative rate is always equals to 1, क्योंकि आपकी accuracy हमेशा 1 रहेगी. So always true positive rate, that is TPR plus FNR should be equals to 1. So this is the way you can cross verify whether your particular answer you're getting is correct or not. Also you can see precision. Precision is being calculated. That means how accurately your algorithm is working. Precision is the percent of instance which are identified positive than actually are positive. So you can see precision is given by true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. Also, your TPR is called as a recall factor. Okay? So this is the basic formula that are there. We'll take one examples tomorrow and then we'll proceed with that particular example. Okay, अभी हमको 2 examples लेने हैं. एक तो जो कल डिसीजन ट्री का मैंने आपको बताया कि we need to take one data set and based on the data set we are going to find out the solution, and another one is that we need to find this confusion matrix final result. So there are two things